Hello Techies, this is Dr. Vicky again and welcome to TechiesReign. Today we're going to be registering or we're going to be securing our account with AWS. If you're somebody that you are interested in, probably for production purpose, for your company purpose, for practice purpose, you want to have an account with AWS services, this is a video for you. So let's just get started. So the first step is to go through AWS services. So the best thing to do is to go to their website directly. Let's go to their website directly. So that is better. So on here on our right, you will see the create an AWS account. So you can have a free tier AWS account on the platform. So let's get started with that. Create a free account. You can click on that and click on the one on the left. So what do you want to do? The root user. The root user is the person, the owner of the account. It might be you personally, it might be your company, So the root user is the owner of the account, is like the owner, the boss. So you are the one that would then be allocating roles and security details to other people, probably your members of staff or your co-workers, your team members, new employees and all that. So who is going to be the root user here? That will be me, obviously. So what will be my AWS account name? Choose a name for your account. So that will be TechiesReign. Let's put it together for the purpose of this training. So verify email address. So we'll do verification. So they're going to send you a verification code, which I'm going to just check on my phone so that it can be fast. Then we put in the verification code 320678. So verify. It's your email address has been successfully verified. So use user's password. So I'll just do something around that. I don't really know much about. Okay, let's just give an easy password. Okay, all satisfied. Confirm root user password. Let's put the same thing. I hope that is same. Continue step 1 of 5. Okay, we continue. So if your password are the same, it will just go. All right, update password. Okay, so how do you plan to use AWS? For business, for personal? So just pick the one that is applicable to you. Full name, put your full name, put your phone number. So confirm your phone number, put your location, put your address. Then you agree to the condition. So step 2 done. So then for payment purpose, you get your card very close to you so that you can put in your card. For free tier, you will not be charged for a whole year, but if you are someone that you are using it for work, you are using all these big services like AWS Glow, AWS Athena, AWS this and that, you will be charged for those ones. But if it's just for knowledge base, you are just going through the platform to learn and you are not using the services that are not free, then you will not be charged for a whole year. So you put in, which one is this one? One of your credit card. I think it's this one. So it's verifying. Yeah, verification done. When is the expiry date? Okay, so I just got a call directly from Amazon, prompting me to put in what was displayed on my screen, and then I put in the 4-digit number, and the confirmation was done, and I'm back on the Amazon AWS screen. Okay, so now we can continue from here. So what plan do you want to pick? We are here for the free service. So if you are a big company or medium sized company, you can actually go for developer support, you can go for business support and all that. But for the purpose of this training, for you to know how to sign up, we'll go for the free one. So complete sign up here. Congratulations, thank you for signing up with Amazon AWS. We are activating your account, which will take a few minutes. You will receive an email when this is completed. I think the email has already come. Okay, so that's done. So sign up for another account or contact sales. An additional step, tell us more about yourself. You don't have to do all these things in as much it's a personal account, and even if you are working for a company, you wouldn't have to actually do all these things. Okay, so what is next? Let's go to the AWS Management Console. So you go straight in, and you are the root user, isn't it? So I am user are other users that we create in order for them to be able to work through this same account, via the same account. So we sign in, and there you go, you are in, and you can start, familiarizing yourself with the platform. There's a lot to learn, and this is just the beginning. After this training, the next one to actually pay attention to that is very important is budgeting. So that as you are doing all the familiarization, as you are getting familiar and you are pressing things, going to EC2 instance, IAM, S3 bucket, cloud formation, you will not be incurring unnecessary cost. So it will be good for you to actually set your budget from the beginning. So if you are interested in that, let's continue with the training. So guys, I've been able to register to create an account with AWS, and as you can see, there are levels of verifications with the credit card, with the codes, with confirmation of emails and all that. Where are you registering your own from? Where are you creating your account from? Are you creating your account from the UK, US, Canada, or any of the African countries? What are your experiences? Because I know that some people in Nigeria, they find it difficult to use their credit card. What is your own experience? How did it go? You can put it in the comment section for other people to actually grab some experience from that, and also know that they are not alone. Whatever they're experiencing is the same across board. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.